Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive deep into fixing error code 39, which indicates a corrupted or missing device driver. This is a common problem that can prevent hardware components from working correctly in Windows. We'll cover the likely causes, troubleshooting steps, and even how to manually edit the registry if needed, all with illustrative examples. Understanding error code 39. Error code 39, typically displayed as Windows cannot load the device driver for this hardware because a previous instance of the device driver is still in memory. Code 39 means that the operating system is encountering difficulty loading the device driver. Here's a breakdown of why this happens. Asterisk corrupted driver files. Asterisk the driver files themselves, example.sys, .dll files in the C/Windows/System32/drivers folder, might be damaged. This can be due to a sudden system crash, a failed driver update, malware, or disk errors. Asterisk registry issues. Asterisk the Windows registry contains configuration information about drivers and hardware devices.